Oh, looky what came in the mail today. Some new QSLs. Not a whole lot, but let's have a look. Okay, first one. I haven't looked at these yet. Okay, so S56IZW. Where the heck? Okay, so that's Slovenia. Nice picture of the guy in his Speedo there. I was really looking forward to that. Oh, there's the nicer side. Nice. Looks like a falcon or something on there. Cool. Oh. HA7TM. That is from Hungary. Nice. Ooh. I always like when they put a nice photograph of their shack on there. That's, you know, it's not hard to do these days, and it makes a difference. Nice. SQ6WZ in Poland. That one's one-sided, but nice anyway. I like making contacts with Poland. My wife is Polish. Okay, so here we have, I think I've got all of these turned over, so let's do it this way. CT3BH. That one, where is CT? Oh, Madeira Islands. Cool. I can't really remember where the Madeira Islands are. I think they're probably associated with Spain or Portugal. Madeira. Are they in the Mediterranean? Can't quite remember. Anyway, I will look into that. That's DX. That's like 10,000 miles to JR3 Double IR Hyogo in Japan. Oh, no. Ichiro Ishino. Thanks a lot for the QSL, buddy. That's a keeper for sure. Ooh, I like that card. German amateur radio station, DM5CS. JT65. That must have been a while ago. I haven't done JT65. Oh yeah, look. 2015. It took a while, but better late than never. Thanks, dude. US 5LO in Ukraine. Beauty. These are all DX cards. Cool. Ukraine. Good luck to you guys in the war. And Italy. What does it say? Having trouble reading that call sign. Okay. IZ2FOS. USB. Nice aerial shot there. That's probably the guy's, yeah, it looks like the guy's farm. Beauty. Oh, great cards. I still love getting cards, especially the nice, interesting, personalized ones. Very cool indeed. So what have you guys been up to lately? Getting any cards? Making any good DX? I know the bands are not what they used to be, 10 years ago, but they're still good at times. You got to be there when they're hot. Not as often, but still happens. I had an Australian contact in the past week. It was FT8, which is a little easier, but still, that's a long haul, and it's still possible, guys. Anyway, 73, good DX, and Merry Christmas to everybody. Happy Hanukkah, all those good things that people should be celebrating. Have a good meal, have lots of drink, have fun with family. That's what it's all about. Cheers, everybody.